What do you do when you love something? Do you care for it immensely, or do you throw it away like nothing happened? When you care about something immensely, truly, and with as much passion and emotion as humanly possible, you will do anything to see that thrive once again.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to TaylorMade Garage. Today we're going to be doing valves on the EJ25 motor. Oh, shout out to Big Dan for offering up his amazing space for work, and let's get right to it. So, what you want to do is you want to get your handy dandy.
Gotta open the top.
Forgot I gotta open the top a little bit. Your handy dandy EJ25 manual. Alright, so obviously you're gonna need your parts. So this is Clegg engines, intake exhaust valve set. So you're gonna set these off, and they're perfectly labeled. So EV exhaust valve and IV intake valve. So let's get that out of the way. You're gonna need your valve compression tool. This is a PQY racing one. I mean, it's $30 on Amazon. This is really cheap, and it's aluminum. It should last about this job here, so it's nothing too crazy. Let's get that out of the way. And you're gonna need an oiler for you to oil up these valves for your easy entry. And then you're gonna need your actual head. Is that better? Is that a lot better for you?
Yeah.
Sorry about that, guys. Had a little bit of a malfunction there. Alright, so this is your head, okay? Intake, exhaust, beautiful, alright? So this is what you need to do. You need to flip it over. You can wear gloves, it's up to you, doesn't really matter. You want to find your valve stud screws, which I have here. It is exactly as it is. Front, rear, left, front, rear, left, right, intake and exhaust, okay? Screws down just like that. Now, let me get my socket here. You can talk, it's fine, it's all chill.
I just know for viewers it's annoying.
Yeah.
Also, it's completely focused on that block right there, not anything else.
This?
Yeah.
Perfect. So, 10 mil. I'm gonna get my actual wrench here. Alright, so.
It's about 3 minutes long so far.
So here's your socket. You don't want to tighten this down too much, as you don't want to ruin anything. Now, this is a PQY. It is not the company 23 version. So this is aluminum, so you don't want to do too much to it. Okay, just a little bit, snug it up. All right, that's on there nice and good. Now, what I'm gonna do to make this aluminum function better, I'm gonna squirt just a little bit of oil in there, just a little bit. There we go. Just a little bit to give it a little bit of lubrication. All right.
Lubricant makes everything better.
It does, indeed. Now you want to get your stem here, which is also aluminum. You gotta set that guy right there. You want to line it up best you can. You want to thread this guy through, okay? That's pretty much perfect. So let me go get an Allen key. All right, so here we go. So get your, what is this? Get your 5mm Allen key. That's gonna slot right in there. Now I'm gonna go get a magnet and a magnetic parts tray. So, magnetic parts tray here. Set that there. Any size will do. You don't need to be this large. And you need your magnet. This is very, very important. Now, I'm gonna try my best to do this and keep the camera in view. What you wanna do is you wanna put your weight on the cam and slowly press it down. Because what's gonna wanna happen here is the valve is going to want to press down and, oh, what was that? There it goes, it just popped. All right, I don't know if you'll be able to see inside that or not, but there is the spring. Oh, don't want to go too far on that. There's a spring, you can get that out from in there. All right, well, that's not gonna work, that'd be better actually. There we go, there's one. Yep. All right. Awesome. So now we're going to release the pressure here. Don't want the thing to spring out and go toing across the entire shop.
Especially with that mirror over there.
Yeah, that wouldn't be nice.
That's like, what, 7 years of bad luck?
With a Subaru, you don't need any more bad luck. All right. Great. So stays are out. This is the retaining clip for the spring, right here. This is the stock valve spring. Notice it's springiness. So other things in there, like valve seat springs, valve oil, valve springs, retainers, keys, and all the good stuff in there. We don't want to mess with that too much. We just want the valve to come out. So we're gonna push it up, and there we go. So I just extracted the valve. I don't know if that got caught or not, but it just happened. I'm gonna demonstrate to you what the valve is. So this is the exhaust valve. You see, there's a little marker on there, E.
Come on, let me focus.
I don't know if you'll be able to see that in there. There's a little bit of there's an E right there.
There we go.
Okay. And this valve is pretty much toast. It was on its way out. I don't know if you can tell or not, but this should be black. It should not look like this. It should look like the rest of the metal here. There's a groove right there. I don't know if you're able to see that or not.
There you go.
That groove holds on the stays, which look like these. They're very tiny. You do not want to lose these, and they sit right on that groove, and they hold in. They hook onto the retainer, and that's what holds your valves in. It's amazing, right?
Man, automatic's finally working again, so I can turn on back on automatic.
Yeah. So let's replace this guy, shall we? Alright, so now, put our gloves on, let's extract our valve.
And which box is that kind of again? The
This is the exhaust valve.
the EV, right?
Yes. So let me show you the difference between old and new here. So it should seat right on there. And see the difference in color here? See the ridge there? That should stay there. This is more rounded. And yeah, this is definitely OEM spec, but definitely not OEM. It is the exact same exact same valve, and has the same everything on it. We're going to take a look at the valve seat to make sure that's all set and nice. So, if you look at this valve seat, it doesn't look too bad in there. I'm gonna get a rag here. So I went to go get a flashlight so we can take a look and see what's going on with these.
Much better.
Okay. So, let's take a look here. You can see that the seats don't look too shabby. Now, if you wanted, you can go get them decked and cleaned off. But to me, this looks fine. I'm gonna take the valve, give it a good dousing of oil here. You miss everything. That's how I roll. Nice and lubed up. Who doesn't like a little lubrication in their life? And you want to slide it in so it sits flush, just like so. we are. Alright, so you probably just missed like, I don't know how many minutes of struggle, but you know.
Probably about 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
2 to 3 minutes.
That's still a lot in my book. But that valve is in there and it looks great. Let's take this off here. I'm gonna take a look, see how it looks. Oh yeah. The light test here. That there is what I would call a perfect seal. I don't see any light coming through. I got the light in there real good. There's no light going through that, so that means there's a nice solid seal on this one. And now I have 7 more.
For this one and 8 more on the other.
And then I have another head to do. For all you people who are doing this on a budget, here's a pro tip. Oil your cheap, shitty tools and they'll last longer. Alright guys, look at this. Look at that guys, all the valves are in. It's been a long road. I'm going to time lapse that entire video and you'll probably see the intro how I was struggling with it, but in the end, I have succeeded. Yeah, all those old ones can go away. Thanks, this diagram is actually very helpful. If you need this diagram for a 2005 Subaru Legacy GT, I will link it in the description and you can download it. This is 256 pages of a 4,610 page manual. So you can do whatever you want with it. It has everything you need. Anyway, heads are done. Both of them are done. Here's the other one. Yeah, all of them are nice. Now, what's probably going to end up happening is I'm going to have to send this to a shop and then they're going to re-mill just the valves and I think it should be fine. I'm just gonna take it down a little bit because these ones are a little bit smaller than stock, and a couple of these don't actually line up too well. And that's just expected because of motors coming with the motor's condition. But yeah, it's easy. You just gotta be organized and have the right tool. All right. Well, I mean, there's nothing else to do here except clean up and get everything organized for the next steps. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna have the block come in here soon, and we'll be able to put that together. So yeah, we'll get some real work going here. All right. Well, this is TaylorMade Garage, and we'll see you in the next one.